I'm Victor Vargas. I'm from Venezuela. I've been here in the United States for 10 years, and I opened my first business a year ago, and this is what I do. I cut hair, my passion. I'm coming down on West Simon, right? And then I see this beauty salon open like around 9 or 10. And I walk in there, knock on the door. You guys open? Nah, we're not open. What you doing here? Okay. And then you see they weren't open for business. They were doing their own hair, like, you know, the girls that work there. And I was like, okay. Well, that's how I came up, because I'm in the city where it's coming up and nobody goes to sleep nowadays. You got people working graveyard. You got people working early in the morning. You know, you got people all over the place, man. Everybody's out there. And that's how I came up with this concept after I was barbershop, because I could get so much people in this barbershop that it's gonna be crazy. You know what I mean? That people who need me all around Houston, they're gonna come here. It don't matter if they're 45 minutes away or 50 minutes away, they're gonna come here because they need this. Everybody needs this. Regular barbershop, they open from 9 to 7. I was able to realize that I could wake up a little bit earlier from 7 a.m. and get a couple of people. Those business guys, those people that get up early, they go to the gym at 5 and they want to get a haircut at 7. I was able to get those people. So I realized that, then that's why I open at 7 a.m. So from 7 to 7, it's still a long time from 7 to midnight, you know, and everybody gets off work at 7 p.m. So I got people calling me, hey, can you wait for me? Can you wait for me? I was like, yeah, for sure. You know what? I can wait for you. That's why I opened this place up. Because Houston is a big city. It's always busy.